Say goodbye to vacuuming and mopping chores with the iRobot Roomba Plus 405 Combo. Designed with powerful suction and smart LiDAR navigation, it ensures every corner of your home gets a thorough clean. Once the job is done, the auto wash dock takes over, emptying the dust, washing and drying the mop pads, and even refilling water, so the robot is always ready for the next run. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Roomba 405 Combo Robot Vacuum and Auto Wash Dock. Extra Auto Empty Bag. Power cord, extra filter, extra set of dual spinning mop pads. Want to grab the iRobot Roomba Plus 405 Combo Robot? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features? The Roomba 405 Combo delivers up to 70 times stronger suction to capture dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease. Its dual clean spinning mop pads apply steady pressure to scrub away stains and grime. With smart carpet detection, the mop automatically lifts to keep rugs dry while hard floors get a spotless finish. The Roomba 405 Combo uses dual clean spinning mop pads that rotate with constant pressure for a deep scrub. With Smart Scrub technology, it applies 2 times deeper scrubbing power to lift tough stains. Designed to tackle everyday messes and sticky spills, it leaves hard floors sparkling clean with minimal effort. The Auto Wash Dock takes care of the dirty work so you don't have to. It automatically empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop pads, and even refills water for the next clean. With built-in self-cleaning, your Roomba 405 Combo stays fresh, ready, and low-maintenance day after day. Clear view. LiDAR quickly maps your home, avoids obstacles, and cleans in neat rows, even in the dark, for smart mapping and navigation. It learns your space with precision, allowing for customized and more efficient cleaning every time. The Roomba 405 Combo begins every job with fresh pads and an empty bin, thanks to the Auto Wash Dock. After cleaning, it returns to wash and dry the mop pads, empty debris, and refill water. Each cycle starts and ends hygienically, so your robot is always ready for the next clean. Choose to vacuum, mop, combo clean, or vacuum first, then mop. Intuitive mop pads auto-lift when sensing carpet ahead for seamless multi-surface cleaning. You can easily manage the Roomba 405 with simple on-device controls, the Roomba Home app, or through voice commands. This flexibility makes starting or scheduling a clean effortless, no matter where you are. Specifications. How to use. Start by unboxing your Roomba 405 Combo and Auto Wash Dock. Remove all protective packaging, including films from the sensors and the robot's body. Attach the reusable mopping pad securely to the pad holder. Install the side brush, if it isn't pre-attached, and place the extra filter in a safe spot for later use. Place the Auto Wash Dock on a flat, hard surface against a wall, leaving enough space on each side for the robot to dock smoothly. Connect the power cord and make sure the dock is plugged into an outlet. Start an initial mapping run so your Roomba 405 Combo can scan and learn your home's layout. Using ClearView LiDAR, it quickly creates a precise map that works even in low light. Once the map is saved in the Roomba Home app, you can personalize it by naming rooms, setting no-go zones, and choosing where to vacuum, mop, or both. How to connect. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for the Roomba Home. Download and install it on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a stable internet. How to connect. Seating. Press and hold the power button on top of the Roomba 405 until the indicator lights turn on. The robot will power up and be ready for setup. Open the app and log into your Roomba account. Then select Add a Robot and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, press and hold the Wi-Fi or Home button on your Roomba until you hear a tone or see the Wi-Fi light blink. indicating it is ready to pair. The app will automatically detect your robot, finish the setup, and connect it to your network. Afterward, you can start, stop, schedule cleanings, customize maps, and check maintenance alerts directly from your phone. Maintenance. Wipe the robot's sensors, charging contacts, and camera with a soft, dry cloth to keep navigation accurate. Remove any hair or dust from the side brush and main brush to maintain strong cleaning performance. Rinse the reusable mop pad after each use and let it dry completely before reinstalling. Also, keep the base station clean by wiping the charging contacts, clearing any dust around the dock, and replacing the disposal bag when full to ensure efficient self-emptying. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your iRobot Roomba Plus 405 Combo Robot. See you in the next one.